Hello viewers, this is Quincy Kitchen at SystemAdmin USA. I will be giving you a brief overview on how to perform a topology analysis on a Cisco switch and router. It is very likely at some point in your career you will be given the task of working with routers and switches in a topology for which you have no documentation. You will have to analyze the setup to determine the IP addresses and VLANs used in a network. Your first task is to analyze the configuration of switch 1. Discover the interfaces that are currently in the up and up state by entering the show interfaces command. Now the up state means the line is physically up and the data link line protocol is also up and active. Fast Ethernet 0/1, 0/2, 0/3, and Gigabit Ethernet 0/1 should all be in the up and up state. Now if you scroll down by pushing spacebar, you will see that the first line interface that is down is Fast Ethernet 0/4, then 5, and it goes all the way down. The only other interface that's up when you get to the bottom is Gigabit Ethernet 0/1, which just typically means is that there is a network host assigned to one of these ports that is using one of these ports. Now after this, we want to go to show VLANs so that we can see which VLANs each interface resides in. There are 6 VLANs, VLANs 1, 2, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Note that VLAN 1 is the default VLAN that VLANs all ports in default. VLANs 1002 through 1005 are reserved for token ring and FDDI networks. Now as you can see in VLAN 2, the only active port in there is Fast Ethernet 0/2. All the other ports in VLAN 1 are not currently in the active up and up state. Now we want to go to the router and do the same thing we did on switch 1. Type in the enable command, which will get us into enable mode, and when we get there we want to show interfaces. Type in the show interface command, and you get the same results as in switch 1. You see the line protocol is physically up and the data link line protocol is up and active. All the rest of the interfaces on this router is administratively down. They're not in use. They are not active. Now we want to see the IP address that is assigned to each interface on this router by typing in the show IP interface brief command. And as you can see, Fast Ethernet 0/0, the only line interface with statuses of up and up, has an IP address of 172.16.0.1. This tells us a lot. This is actually how you would go into each device and see what type of topology exists in the network. I will now show you the documentation so you can see the actual topology of this network. As you can see, these results align exactly with the line statuses and the line protocol statuses that we found in each switch and on the router. PC1, PC2, server 1, all connected and active, and also router 1's Fast Ethernet 0/0 actually connects to the switch. Thank you for watching. This is SystemAdmin USA.